Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you the best SteelSeries Sonar Settings for Blue Yeti Microphone. So it is pretty simple and easy to use. Just go to my description, click on the link, and you will see this message pops up. And if you open your SteelSeries Sonar, you will see that it is importing a configuration. You will see that it is named Blue Yeti preset, created by Dashing Lamp. Just click Save, and you will see the graph points of sub bass, bass, low mids, mid range, upper mids, and highs. So I'll go through these points. You will be able to pause it and adjust those points to look like same. And as you can see, Clearcast AI noise cancellation, it is on 70, compressor turned off, and noise gate at minus 45 decibels. So that's pretty much it. That's the best SteelSeries Sonar settings for Blue Yeti microphone. So thank you guys and see you in the next one.